for my case study, we have a good example of unifying the process control together with the safety system. This was done in Alba station in Bahrain together with Babco. It was a small package, but it was a remote area, and we had a very short time of implementing the system. The engineer in Babco, together with us, came up with the global ISA100 strategy for the site. So instead of doing maybe 2 access points and having the maximum use of the communication ranges, he put in these squares, and he said, I want 1 redundant access point in each of these squares to be able to absorb any future needs for detection. So this gave us a good basis for a star topology for fast response on the safety equipment, but still a good flexibility for instrumentation. Once the system was up and running, we had all our devices connected. Most of the devices are connecting directly, and you can see the access points active in the field. And between the routers, it's about 50 meters. And the good thing with this was that instead of a traditional way of doing it, which I've seen is splitting process control and safety, they are willing to do 2 separate single systems instead of unifying it into 1 redundant system with a much higher mean time between failure, and also giving you a larger flexibility of getting the information where you want it. So we had 2 gateways with 6 access points. All the wireless safety devices used their own IP range, divided from the process control. We put the Profinet ProfiSafe layer on the safety information. This was dealt with in the safety controller, but in the same gateway, we were able to pick up the process control information and send that to the RTU system, and it was available across the facility for preventive maintenance or process control information in 1 joint system. We're able to achieve this in a third of the cost estimated for a wired system, and the system was also commissioned and running 4 weeks before the civil works were done on the site. And it's thinking outside of the box, but using the technology available when it is reliable and fit for purpose. This even won the ISA100 award for good industry use of wireless technology.